The 5 leadership skills that Bowie State needs to ensure a successful online learning community is efficiency, value, the ability to inspire others, problem solving, and influencing employers. In the first leadership skill, leaders ought to have efficiency. So for online learning for Bowie State, this is where what does online service have to offer? What does online learning have to offer to students? Well, first it has to have structure in order for it to be efficient. Having PDFs, PowerPoints, and structured learning can really influence and make the online learning very efficient. By extending the classroom to online learning, it can be efficient also by having real resources, really moving past the traditional textbooks and other documents, but really making it an efficient experience for the students. The second leadership skill is creating value. So, what is valuable about Bowie State's online learning opportunities? Well, one option can be making it interactive, making it experimental, making sure that the lessons really kind of deal with everyday life so that the students are able to, how can I say it? To really merge the two together, to be able to come up with discussions, having discussions to make this online learning valuable in different courses, different classes. So in order for there to be value in online learning, there has to be a distinction between the traditional learning and the online learning, where students can be able to use resources from everyday life to influence their knowledge in whatever class or course they're in. The next leadership skill is inspiring others. And in this type of leadership skill, that doesn't only go to the students and the teachers, it can actually go to other surrounding colleges in the state of Maryland or the DMV in general to see how our online community is growing and how it is efficient and has value. Then it could inspire other universities to kind of get help on how to influence their online communities, because not every online community is efficient or have value. Some of it's boring. They don't have any structure. So with having the structure from the traditional learning and really making it innovative, this is where you can inspire others, not just the teachers and students, but other colleges and universities that surrounds us. The next leadership skill is problem solving. Now, this one is kind of a doozy. With online learning, there are some cons, which can be internet failure, device failure. And that is one of the most prominent problems in online learning, when students don't have resources to reliable internet or reliable technology to be successful in their learning. So in order to solve that type of problem, the university provides devices. The university provides internet so that the students, even the teachers, some teachers rely on their work computers or work things, but also they need resources too. So to solve that big problem is to really partner with internet companies and partner with technology device companies to really give our students the ability and give them the resources to succeed. And I believe that is how we can solve that problem. And the last leadership skill is influencing employees. And in this type of scenario, we can put employees as the staff members and the teachers that has to work remotely with the students who choose this online learning option. So, as I spoke earlier about giving them resources, to influence the teachers to be able to teach their students in a distance way, we can also create a software or use a software such as Blackboard to be able to really connect with the students, not really all with lectures and then notes, but also with discussions, getting to know the students and also giving them that type of encouragement of teaching in a more innovative way, because there's some teachers who may be used to teaching in the classroom. They're used to writing on the board, but they don't know how to type out PowerPoints, and also to give them resources. So we can conduct trainings for teachers that have that problem. So I believe that is a method that we can use to influence the employees of working harder so that the students can have a successful online community. With all these leadership skills, I believe that Bowie State University can and will have a successful online community if we follow these leadership skills.